Today, we're diving into a fashion voyage that's been making a splash across time, the captivating history of the bathing suit. From modesty to bold statements, we're about to unravel the evolution of swimwear, exploring how these tiny garments have made big waves in style and culture. So whether you're lounging by the pool or catching waves, join us as we uncover the fascinating tale of the bathing suit. Let's jump right in.